I used to translate every single sentence from Hindi to English in my mind. And because of that, I could not speak English fluently. Whenever I tried to speak, I got stuck. But then I found one simple trick that helped me to start thinking directly in English. And today I will share that exact trick with you, which is very simple, practical, and actually works.
3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is Saroj and welcome back to my English learning journey. If you are someone who understands English but cannot speak, then this video is for you. Let me tell you the biggest problem. We don't think in English. We think in Hindi first, then translate it into English. For example, in your mind, you think, मुझे पानी पीना है. Then you translate, I want to drink water. This process takes time. And when you are talking to someone, you don't have time. So what happens? You get nervous, you forget words, and you stop speaking. This was happening with me every single day. Then I realized something very important. If I want to speak English fluently, then I need to start thinking in English first. So here is the simple trick that worked for me. Start thinking in very small English sentences. Don't try to big or complex sentences. Start small, very small. For example, I am sitting, I am watching this video. I am writing important thing. I am going to office. That's it. Simple sentence. At first, it will feel strange, but slowly your mind will adjust it. Now let me tell you how I practice this in real life. When I wake up in the morning, I think, today I will go to office. I am getting ready. I am brushing my teeth. When I travel, I am in cab. I am listening music. I am happy. At office, I have lots of work to do today. I will complete all the tasks. I don't translate. I just try to speak directly in English. Even if my sentence is wrong, I still continue. Because the goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Let me make it even easier for you. Follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Start with simple sentences. And don't try to be perfect. Step 2. Describe your surroundings. Whatever you see, speak in your mind. Step 3. Practice daily. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Remember one thing. Fluency doesn't come from grammar. It comes from thinking and practice. I am also learning. I am not perfect, but I can see my improvement. If I can do it, you can do it too. So from today, start thinking in English. Even small sentences are okay. And comment think if you are starting from today. I will reply back to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Let's grow together in this English learning journey. You can also watch my videos on different topics. You can see in my playlist. Thank you.